Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. Well, we are starting off with a weather authority alert. We are looking at a very windy day, and that cold front we've been telling about all week long is right around the corner. So 52 degrees, that's the current temperature at the airport. Southeasterly winds only at 7 miles per hour, so not that bad, but we will be under a wind advisory starting at noon today, issued by the National Weather Service. So we're looking at 54 out there in Las Cruces with some hazy conditions, southwesterly winds at 8 miles per hour. As far as your gusts across the region, they're looking a lot stronger up north of us. So we're looking at 8 in Silver City, 31 in TRC, 15 Alamogordo, 30 out there in Ruidoso. And here's what we expect this morning as you're heading out the door, taking the kiddos to school. Come 8 o'clock, 54 degrees is what we're forecasting. We're up to 62 by your 10 o'clock hour. So last day in the 70s. We're still expecting a high of 75, but with those windy conditions, it's going to feel a lot colder. So tomorrow we could potentially see some snow out there in Flagstaff, parts of northern New Mexico. A lot of rain out there in the Texas Panhandle. As for us, it does seem like we'll stay on the drier side of things, but like I said, windy all day for today. As far as tomorrow, it's only going to be windy in the first half of tomorrow and for your Friday. So by the evening tomorrow, we should be fine. But that cold front is heading our way, so that's going to drop us nearly 20 degrees. So tomorrow, it's going to be cold all day long in the morning if you go out at night, and plus with those winds, it's going to feel even colder. So we're also tracking some snow up north of us, parts of Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Montana. But like I said, El Paso is staying rather dry. Most of that moisture is in East Texas. So out there, they could potentially see some snow flurries, like I said, in parts of northern New Mexico, but we are going to stay dry, unfortunately. I did want to see some rain, but as far as your highs today, we're looking at 54 in Silver City, 66 in Deming, 64 in TRC, 76 out there in Juarez. And here's how we compare. On average, we should be hovering close to 73 degrees this time of year. We're expecting a high of 75, so we're still a little bit above average. We'll drop to 59 for your Friday, 66 on Saturday, 74 on Sunday. Slight breezy conditions Tuesday of next week. Really quickly, I do want to give a big shout out to one of our weather watchers. This goes to Jennifer Miner for these cute pumpkins. Perfect for fall weather. I thought it was such a cute picture. So thank you so much, Jennifer, for sending this. If you'd like to be featured on KTSM 9 News, just go submit those beautiful weather photos to us to our social media platforms or email news@ktsm.com. Trevor?
That was a great shot right there. Thank you so much, Roxy. Thank you for